The question says that a parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates has a capacitance of 8 picofarad. What will be the capacitance if the distance between the plate is reduced by half and space between them is filled with a substance of dielectric constant 6? So we know that a capacitor is a device that is used to hold charge, and capacitance is the ability of the component or circuit to collect and store energy in the form of electrical charge. Now capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is defined by C equals to epsilon naught A by D. So here we see that there are geometrical components in the formula of capacitance, that is A and D, which is A is the surface area and D is the distance separating the plates, and the capacitance with the dielectric material between the plates is given by K times C naught, and K is the dielectric constant. So the first question said that what will be the capacitance if the distance between the plate is reduced by half. Now it is saying that if the distance between these two plates of a capacitor is half, then what would be the capacitance? So if distance between the plate is half from, let us assume that earlier it was D and now it is D by 2. The capacitance, which was earlier C naught, would be changed to CF. We have assumed that the new value of capacitance would be CF. Now C naught, that is earlier capacitor, when the distance of separation was D, the formula would be epsilon naught A by D, and now since it is half, it would be equal to epsilon naught A by D by 2. Now we can see here that CF would be equal to 2 C naught, that is capacitance will increase if the distance between these two plates is halved. Now the second part of the question said that, and the space between them is filled with the substance of dielectric constant 6. Now the space between these two plates is now fixed with dielectric constant of 6, a substance which is having dielectric constant of 6. So we know that the formula for capacitance with the dielectric constant is given by K times C naught, that is K is a dielectric constant. So we can say that since the dielectric constant of that material is 6, so the final capacitance would be 6 times C naught. So the final capacitance when the distance between the plate is halved and the space between them is filled with the dielectric material of constant K equals to 6 would be equal to 2 times 6 times C naught, which will be given by 12 times the previous value, that is 8 picofarad that was given. So the final capacitance would be equal to 96 picofarad. Thank you.